Welcome. If you've ever come across a user on Roblox who's breaking the rules or making your experience uncomfortable, it's important to know how to report them, especially on the mobile app. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to report a user on Roblox using your phone, so you can help keep the community safe for everyone. First, start by opening the Roblox app on your device and logging into your account. Make sure you're on the home screen to get started. Next, if you know the username of the person you want to report, use the search bar at the top of the screen to find them. You can also find users by browsing your friends list or checking recent players if you've just played a game with them. Once you've found the user, tap on their profile to open it. Here, you'll see their avatar, username, and other profile details. Now, look for the three dots icon, usually located in the upper right corner of their profile page. Tap on these three dots to open a menu with more options. From the menu, select the Report option. This will take you to the reporting form, where you can let Roblox know exactly what happened. You'll be asked to choose a reason for your report, such as inappropriate language, bullying, scamming, or other rule violations. Pick the reason that best matches the situation. There's also a space for you to describe what happened. Be as specific as possible. Mention what the user did, when it happened, and where, like the name of the game or chat. The more details you provide, the easier it is for moderators to understand and take action. Once you've filled out the form, tap Submit or Report Abuse to confirm your report. Roblox's moderation team will review your submission and take any necessary steps to address the issue. And that's it. Reporting a user on Roblox Mobile is quick and straightforward, but it makes a big difference in keeping the platform safe and welcoming for everyone. Thanks for doing your part to support the Roblox community.